In today's video, I'm going to teach you Shopify, how to view account login history, check access history, IP addresses, ISPs, and locations. We're going to walk through where to find your account's login and security activity inside Shopify, how to open individual entries, and how to read what the logs are telling you, including IP addresses, approximate locations, and, where available, the internet service provider. This is perfect for auditing access or investigating anything that looks unusual. First, open your Shopify admin. Make sure you're signed in with an account that has permission to view security and activity information. From your admin dashboard, head down to Settings. This is your control center for store configuration and organization security. Inside Settings, use the search field to quickly find what you need. Type the word activity so the relevant section is highlighted. This narrows things down and saves you from digging through multiple menus. When you see activity appear in the results, click it. That takes you straight to the area where Shopify records recent actions and security-related events tied to your account and organization. On the activity page, you'll see a chronological list. Click an entry to open its details. For example, if you see something like Shopify changed horizon or any other recent event, select it to expand the full record. In the detail view, pay attention to the timestamp, the account or system responsible, and, when available, the IP address used during that event. Shopify may also display an approximate location and the internet service provider associated with that IP. Keep in mind that locations are estimates and can reflect VPNs or mobile networks, so treat them as indicators rather than exact addresses. If you need more history, click Load More to extend the timeline and bring up older entries. This is helpful when you're tracing a pattern or checking activity over a longer window. After you review an item, you can click Activity again to return to the main list and continue scanning. To focus on specific types of records, open the Event control. This lets you zero in on the categories you care about, such as sign-ins or security-related changes, making it faster to spot login activity. Finally, if you manage more than one store or organization, make sure you're viewing the correct one by selecting your store name where prompted, so the log reflects the right environment. A few quick tips as you review. Unfamiliar IPs or locations don't always mean a breach, but they're worth a closer look, especially if they appear with failed sign-ins or at odd hours. Cross-check anything suspicious with your team and consider tightening access if needed. And remember, enabling multi-factor authentication and using unique, strong passwords are your best prevention tools.